Kyries και κύριοι, καλησπέρα! This is one of the greatest meatloaf recipes that you'll ever make. We begin with ground beef, 80-20. Add the breadcrumbs. A fine grated onion. Salt and pepper, fine grated garlic, one egg, a splash of vinegar, and olive oil. Now use your hands to start mixing everything very well. We're going to use now wax paper, and we're going to brush on some olive oil. The olive oil is going to make it much more easier to roll the ground beef. We're going to make the ground beef into a rectangle shape and about half an inch thick. Let's begin with the red peppers, which I have them chopped into little cubes. Now for the green peppers. I have them chopped into little cubes as well. Try and spread all your ingredients evenly around. And now let's add the bacon. And when you buy your bacon, try and find good bacon without so much fat on it, because we don't need the oil that comes out of it. Every time I make this meatloaf recipe, it always reminds me of making a pizza. And the mozzarella cheese. Try and spread the mozzarella cheese evenly everywhere. We're going to grab the wax paper at the end and slowly start to push it to the front. And as we're pushing it slowly, the ground beef is going to start to roll. And as we're rolling it, we're going to want to press down a bit on it so it's nice and firm and tight. And don't forget to fold in the sides. I'm going to use a classic metal baking pan to bake it in. We want to flatten the top a bit, not a lot, just enough so when you grate the tomato, the juices and the tomato bits will stay on top. We're going to pour some olive oil on top and at the bottom of the pan. We're going to cover it with tin foil and bake at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. And then we're going to take the tin foil off and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes until you see it golden brown. And this is what we're looking for, a beautiful golden brown baked meatloaf. And it's going to be one of the tastiest meatloafs that you have ever tried. And, like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.